everyone, today in front of me HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere application on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store application, and then in the search pool here enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and then installing on your device. I just think that I got the poor internet connection, so that's why I will wait. Yeah, that's unfortunately we got the poor internet connection, so okay, we'll wait 1 minute, I think, maybe less. So now just open the application. Here click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And as can you see here, we got the health of our battery. That's good. Also got here the level, temperature, capacity, and more other information about our device battery, as the Android version, the model of our device, and more other information. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.